We're standing right now at the precipice of a giant AI revolution. We now have the ability to leverage AI to create films in a way that's much faster and much more targeted than before. At KMM, we're able to create a film for the director before the shoot even happens. Typically, it takes you about 1 to 2 years. On Furiosa, with AI, we're able to pre-visualize the entire film in a matter of 6 to 8 months. Dell and NVIDIA forms the backbone of our AI factory. Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA allows us to deploy AI solutions on-prem. We store all of our critical data on a PowerScale. It allows us to scale horizontally and vertically. At the same time, the PowerScale feeds all of our precision workstations on-prems as well. Dell Precision Workstations really allow us to do all of our AI work. The balance between CPU and GPU compute is the best that I've ever seen. When it comes to AI workflow, NVIDIA and Dell technology is the best of the breed. On Furiosa, there's a giant 15-minute chase sequence called Stairway to Nowhere. With the PowerScale, we're able to pre-visualize the entire sequence from beginning to end in a real-time system. When you're working with movie studios and trying to achieve multi-billion-dollar outcomes, you need a partner that can deliver. Dell Technologies allows us to comfortably reach those goals without having to worry about technology.